your washing machine there. But this washing machine here is different. So some is doing a washing machine outside, and some there is a washing machine but it's different. So but here I'm going to make a video so that you can also see a different kinds of washing machine, so that if you can have, then easy for you to use. And also some of our young ones they doesn't know how to use a washing machine. At least our young ones know how to use the washing machine. Okay, stay tuned while I'm explaining how to use the washing machine. This is the type of the washing machine. You can see there is a water level. So if your dirty clothes is like just only a few, you have to use the low water level. And also if a little is a lot, this you can use the medium water level. But if really a lot of laundry, you can use the high level. And this is the water temperature: cold, first is warm, cold, warm, hot, and hot. Mostly we can use this warm if the colored, and then cold is like really colored, like mostly also the blanket. And the warm is some they use for the colored, or some is they use for some like mix colored. And the hot, this is really hot and warm. Mostly we're gonna use this for the white, like white bedsheet or white clothes. So that's why we always use this hot. And also here, if you want, if you like, you are not satisfied the first rinse, so you can use the second rinse, no? And also here in the firmament press, like this one is to sit, push, and turn the clockwise when going there like that, and then you have to pull if to start. So this is the permanent press. There you can see a lot of this one is short, gentle, regular, and also here it's also a regular. There is also regular, gentle, normal, and cold. This is only cold rinse, no? You can use this 10, 8, 6, 4, 2. So these are the minutes. And also here, if you want to soak first, then you can sit in the soap and then pre-wash. And also we have also the second rinse, like a heavy duty, like you want the first rinse and the second rinse, you can also sit this one, huh? If you are not satisfied, if you are, it's like the laundry is not yet really fully clean, so you can use the second rinse if there is still soap. Okay, this is the all the laundry. It's not really a lot. This is I have to set this in the medium, so I have to bring here inside the washing machine. But before that, I have to on first the water, so that and then the soap, so that it will the distribution of the soap and the water is equal. Okay, so this one you can see, you can so if you want to start, just do like that only. You can, because you can say pull to start, or you have to push like that, and then we're gonna put to the normal like that. Or you can also go to pre-wash, but you can go normal, and then after that, from sitting to the turn to clockwise, you can pull to start like that. You can start like that, and you can hear the water. But I'm going to put first the soap, and then like it's the amount of the soap, like this. And okay, first I have to pour out first. Why? So it's different. This is my way. Some are I just put all the clothes. But for me, this is the way. I have to go. I have to turn on first the water, and then put the soap, so that the distribution is right equal. And then if you have a white, you can also separate, but this one, the white is not a lot, so I just mix the colors and also the white like this. It is not really a lot, so I'm going to put everything here inside. Then after that, guys, my viewers, I have to put more soup in the cup. Another like this, 1 cup, and then you just spread like that. Okay. And then there is sometimes there's a little bit of soap, so you have to do like that. Then some, if you want a sunrock, you can put a chlorox. If you doesn't want also, you can use the chlorox. Some because of the chemical, so you will not use. And also you can, this is the place to put the chlorine, and also the chlorine of the lead, and also the downy. Okay, so that you will not be cutting that and then put the downy. You just only pour the downy here like this. Here, oh sorry, it needs sorry for that. So this is the way. Okay, and yun lang, that's it. So now after that, just cover, and then you're coming back after 30 minutes, and then I'm gonna show you after how to dry it. So that's it. So I set here in medium because not really a lot, and then just only warm. I put in the warm because I mix the clothes, and then yes, for the second rinse, so that it's really clean. And I put in the normal and regular and gentle and normal washing. Okay, so that's it. I hope that you learned something from my tutorial on how to use for this washing machine. Okay, that's it, guys. Thank you.